Welcome to 7H News, आपकी आवाज़, educating communities, empowering the people. It's a new program in 7H News for the youth, students to learn the soft skills. The only channel in Hyderabad, 7H News, is promoting education, educating communities, empowering the people. Keep watching the program. Today's topic is all about intonation. What is intonation? First, the intonation means rise and fall of your voice when you are speaking. Rise and fall of your voice when you are speaking. It's called intonation. In English language, intonation patterns are around 7 patterns. The first one is rising. The second one, falling. The third one is rising and falling. And the fourth one is flat rising. And the fifth one is flat. And the sixth one is high. And the last one is low. For example, if I wanted to ask something, how can I help you? Very soft, very polite. The same way, if I ask them, oh God, how can I help you? It means I'm going to come and kill you, something like that. So as much as possible, you have to be very soft while communicating with the people, while delivering your speech to the person, to the people, to the officer, anyone. Soft skills plays a key role in your life. For intonation, all you need to do is you have to understand the scenario, what you're talking about, what you need, and for what you're approaching, to whom you're approaching. That is all about intonation, rise and fall. For example, India won the World Cup. It's something like good news. I just got a news that India won the World Cup. This is surprising, It's like you're expressing your feelings. There's some sad news. Due to coronavirus, there are so many people have died. It's a sad news. The much more important in your communication skill is all about your intonation, which plays key role to deliver your speech, to deliver your words to the other person is called intonation. 7H News is the only channel which is promoting education. Our aim is to educating the communities, empowering the people. So please do subscribe 7H News channel and kindly do the comments. Our next topic is all about rate of speech. The intonation is all about your rate of speech. For example, the more you type faster, WPM, words per minute, the more better you are. Here, quite opposite. The more you speak slower, the more better speaker you are. The people will understand what you are going to say, and the word you are going to pronounce is absolutely perfect. I hope all you understand. Next weekend, we'll meet about another topic is called rate of speech. What is the standard of rate of speech? Please do comment. Please do subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you all.